Looking for a faster way to create clear, engaging, and standards-aligned lessons? Meet the presentation generator. In just a few minutes, you can build presentations tailored to your topic, grade level, and instructional goals. Here's how to get started. Begin by choosing the instructional program you're using. This helps ensure alignment with your curriculum. Then choose the module or unit and instructional routine. This will tell the generator how the content fits into your scope and sequence. Choose a grade level to make sure that the content is age-appropriate and relevant to your students. Depending on how detailed you want your presentation to be, you can choose up to 20 slides. Next, choose the duration of your presentation. Then enter your topic or learning objective. The more specific you are, the better your slides will match your instructional goals. If you'd like AI to build the presentation using a specific document like a lesson plan, curriculum standard, or reading passage, you can upload the files here. If you have additional context to share, such as student needs, classroom setting, or prior knowledge, include it to generate more personalized and relevant slides. When you're ready, click Generate to create your slides. Review the presentation carefully and make any necessary edits. Then you can export your slides to Google Slides or PowerPoint for easy use. If you need extra support, use HMH Assist to refine your content, create a quiz, or translate your slides into another language to better support your students. And remember, the presentation generator isn't just for lessons. It's your go-to tool for building slides for back-to-school night, anchor charts, classroom routines, and much more.